characteristic limit is the limit of the mass of a stable white dwarf star.
Soborno Isaac Berry turns 10 today. He is the youngest mayor, youngest laureate, youngest professor.
Hello, Professor. आप कैसे हैं?
मुझे कोडिंग दिखाने लिखिए, डिस्प्ले बोर्ड चाहिए.
आपका स्वागत है, Professor.
And youngest author in the world. He was born on April 9th, 2012, at New York Presbyterian Queens Hospital. He is a Bengali American prodigy, the author of The Love and Manish. He was 7 years old when he gave lecture at University of Mumbai.
Alon ko khabar kya pe khudi ka cheez hai.
ये physics This class is a physics class. Why are you singing? तुम गा क्यों रहे हो?
Then you don't know enough about me. This is a romance song that I'm singing to show my love for coding.
On November 3rd, 2014, when Soborno was only 2 years old, Medgar Evers College Vice President Gerald Posman interviewed him. In April 2016, at age 4, Dr. Lisa Koiko, president of City College of New York, gave Soborno the nickname Einstein of our time for his achievement in a series of tests in math and science. The same year, Soborno received recognition from President Barack Obama for his accomplishments in math and science.
President Obama recognized you for something?
Yeah,
How
he
was
did.
that?
That was just so amazing.
I would think.
So yeah, he wrote it to me on November 2, 2016. But I received it when I was 4, November 10, 2016. Took him 8 days to get through the mail.
In 2018, at age 6, he received a letter of recognition from Harvard University President Drew Faust. In 2021, he delivered a lecture at Harvard University, hosted by Harvard Project for Asian and International Relations, HPAIR. In 2021, Soborno was accepted into New York City's Gifted and Talented program.
Hello everybody, my name's Schrodinger's cat because, of course, as you know, I study as a 4th grader here at Davison Elementary, and I study as an 8th grader over there at Howard T. Herbert.
He is currently a 4th grader at Davison Avenue Intermediate School and 8th grader at Howard T. Herbert Middle School. He aims to graduate from high school in 2023 and start college the same year. On April 24, 2018, Dr. Thomas Chickenegby, president of Bronx C College, interviewed Soborno to learn more about his anti-terrorism campaign, The Love.
What's the main philosophy?
As a Muslim, I love Islam, but I also love Hinduism, Buddhism, Judaism, and Christianity. I love to celebrate Eid, but I also love to celebrate Durga Puja, Madhu Purnima, Rosh Hashanah, and Christmas. Let's at least love to create a world without terrorism.
I love that philosophy. I do.
On March 15, 2019, Soborno published his first book with the same title, The Love, to promote his anti-terrorism campaign. It became an international bestseller.
One man saw my middle name, and he immediately started talking rude things behind our back.
Because of Isaac?
He said I and my family cannot be Muslim because the middle name Isaac gives off Jewish and Christian smells.
What do you think about that?
Very rude, and if that man directly smoking his cigarette at us.
In 2019, Soborno received an invitation from Nobel laureate Kailash Satyarthi, Pune University Vice Chancellor Nitin Karmalkar, and the principal of Ramnarayan Ruya College, Dr. Anushri Lakur, to make a trip to India. On January 3, 2020, Soborno received the Global Child Prodigy Award from Nobel laureate Kailash Satyarthi. On January 4, 2020, Soborno was recognized by the principal of Ruya College, Dr. Anushri Lakur. On January 6th, Soborno gave a talk on the love at Pune University for university faculty, students, and alumni. Namaste,
Honorable Vice Chancellor Nitin Karmalkar. I am grateful for your hospitality and the hospitality of the people of India. I'm honored to be in India, the birthplace of Mahatma Gandhi, to be hosted by Savitribai Phule Pune University.
In March 2020, Oscar-nominated actor Melissa McCarthy interviewed Soborno at Warner Brothers Studio for NBC's Little Big Shots. His interview was broadcast on NBC during prime time on March 8, 2020. He also received recognition from New York State Governor in 2021 and California Mayor Eric Garcetti.
Professor Bari, you're a brilliant physicist and mathematician, a prodigy who has been called the Einstein of our time. You not only do incredible work in the fields of science and math, but you also are wise beyond your years. And Professor, may your message of seeding empathy, imagination, and compassion in education spread far and wide across our city and our world. You're an inspiration to us all, and I hope you have a great stay in Los Angeles.
In October 2021, he made a historic trip to South Africa to deliver a PhD speech at the Da Vinci Institute. He received many recognitions during his stay in South Africa. During his commencement speech, he mentioned multiple times that he will run for the President of the United States of America in 2048. He regularly delivers lectures at many universities around the world, including Sacred Heart College and Gita Jivan College, Harvard University, University of Mumbai, the Da Vinci Institute, University of Pune, California State University, Fullerton. He is a laureate at the Da Vinci Institute, a PhD granting university.
I want to start my speech with a quote from one of the greatest minds of South Africa, Nelson Mandela. He once said that education is the best weapon, and I think that my work is an example of that. I want to go all the way back to January 4th, 2020. And when I was teaching at Royal College, Dr. Anushree Lacour was first thinking of hiring a guest professor for her physics class. But her colleagues were raising questions about the age of the candidate because I was only a 7-year-old child at the time. And so the colleagues were thinking, how can this minor give a speech in front of 200 people, yet the abilities of the child made Dr. Lacour dead set. And the day he came in, he amazed the students. I was that child, and I thank Dr. Lacour for recognizing that age is just a number.